Well, welcome to another Alberta Adventure family vlog. This is one where we get shit done. It feels good to say that, and these sea cans are getting moved, the septic tank's dropped in, the area's leveled. We're gonna be working on some plumbing, and next couple weeks here, they'll be coming to pour some concrete. And before that though, obviously the gravel, in-floor heating. Yeah, like I said, get shit done.
Let's get lost in forever.
So today we're gonna get some things done on the track hoe. We're gonna dig a hole for a septic tank and get this land behind me all flat and level so we can start bringing gravel in, do all of our plumbing, and get building this shop. Well, building a shop by yourself is no easy feat, and in today's video we're going to try our hardest to get this area cleared and ready for concrete and septic system and a well. It'll be an open concept living space with a kitchen, living room, and then we'll have a loft above with 2 bedrooms and a bathroom for the girls in the long run. Finish digging the hole for our septic tank. Our septic tank will go right in there and get plumbed into our shop. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in building a pole barn or a shop, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and follow us along on our off-grid shop build. Out here in northern Alberta, we have for 140 acres of boreal forest, and it's a beautiful place. Like, look behind me, we have the girls' playhouse and our Brinkley set up. And this is where we're living and this is what we're doing. So it's gonna be a good summer. This is our Brinkley Z2810 with a bunk room in the back and an outdoor kitchen. We've been in it full time for just over a month now, and we're loving it.
Busy today. Just got our septic tank put in the hole for our build here. We got the picker truck trying to move some sea cans. Mike's moving trailers. I'm over here. I've come to the raspberries. I've come to pick some raspberries. Busy day. They're just all starting, but there's gonna be thousands.
Open your eyes to golden light.
So we've always wanted to move these sea cans in behind us here because that's where we're gonna be drilling our well. And we had this guy show up to drop our septic tank in. And we asked him if he'd be willing to help us move the sea cans, and it seems to be going okay. They're full. They have a lot of stuff in them. They're heavy, but it seems to be doing okay. The first one, the easiest one that we put down in the field, where we put, I think it was about 20 feet away from our other sea can. We have some old rafters that eventually we'll be building a roof and putting the sawmill underneath there. I don't know if that's gonna happen this fall or not, but the sea can's down there and we could do it now whenever we want. The larger sea can there in the middle is all for food preservation, hunting, butchering, things like that. So we want that placed in. There's an old shop garage back in here with a heated stove, electricity, the whole 9 yards, and we want that placed beside there so it's just nice and easy to work back and forth in between the two. This other sea can eventually will be turning sideways and blocking off the area of the well just to protect it from people driving over top and all of the above. A little bit different of a view here, but 2 sea cans are getting moved. This one eventually will probably try and tuck back into this area, and we'll be drilling the well over here, which eventually will go out to our shop behind us. And then we'll go from our shop and make a line over to that rig shack over there, so that has water as well and we don't have to worry about constantly filling up a tank.
It's all waiting for you. It's all waiting.
All right, so Mike's just working on digging areas where all the plumbing's gonna go and connect to the septic system.
It's heavy. What are you doing? Are you plumbing? Are you my little plumber? Echo. What are you doing, sanding the pipe?
Yeah.
Are we making your poop chute?
Yeah.
So we're doing some plumbing today. Dug the trench. Now me and the daughter and Grandpa here are plumbing in all of our plumbing.
It's hard work.
It's hard work, yeah. Sanding all the pipes. It's looking good though. You're doing a good job. Did you get that one too?
Yeah, I did.
What are you doing?
It's in my eyes, burning bright.
Yeah, you're wrapping the pipe to the pipe. Looks good, kiddo. You're gonna be a plumber out of you yet. And secure. And we got them all plumbed in all the way to the septic tank. They're all secure. Got the washer plumbed in. Got the upstairs plumbed in. The kitchen or the bathroom sink, bathroom toilet, tub, shower.
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. So Mike's just installing the child ring, which is a new concept in our septic tank. And this is something we didn't have at our old house. It'll go down in there. And then we'll work on screwing the lids on. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more family fun adventures in Alberta.